Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about BSET and BRST instruction in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software and then create a new program. Go to the file section and create new. And here program title you can give any, and here you have to be choose model SSES or which model you have, let's choose. But this for this command have specified models which you can use, and these models supported to this command. This is I will tell you next. Let's check first. Simply I choose my first input LD X0 LDX0, and next we will write just simply BSET 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 K to M0, and data register we will choose T0 and click enter. And next here we will choose LD M0 and enter, and again LD M1, again LD M true, and again LD M3 and LD M4, again LD M5, again LD M6, and again LD M7, again LD M8, and out Y0. And this one I will compile first and write to the PLC. What he says, we have to be, make cancel first, make cancel and go to the simulation, and now download to the PLC and make it simulation on, and after PLC put in run mode. And now I will execute my X0, and you can see here is in your data register have already value is K0. When value is K0, your first input will be internal memory will be on, and as you change the value, change present value, and here you will put when K1 for example, and your first internal memory relay will be on M1, and as you change this K2 your M2 will be on, and as you put signal and as you write K3 your M3 will be on, and as you write K4 your this right wrong enter we will put K4 when you write after your M4 will be on, and as you put K5 your M5 will be on, as you put K6 your M6 will be on, and as you put K7 your M7 will be on, and as you put K8 and your M8 needs to be on. And this is why not on, because of what's happening, that's I explain to you. This because of we used it here to K2M0. If we put it here K4M0, after your next bits will be on M8, M9, M10. Now I will stop the simulation, cancel this one, and stop the simulation and just change it here K4M0. When you write K4M0, after compile the program and write to the PLC. And again PLC put in simulation mode. And now go to the change present value. And now you will see K8 when I will write. After you will see your M8 is now on condition. First M8 is not on. Now for example you put K6, M6 will be on, MK4 or 3, any which you like to be on, this will be on. So this way you can use, if you write K2M0, you will use only up to 8 bits. Data internal memory you can make it on and off. It's very simple. And now next procedure is what? If you like to make it off, yani, how can off you have to be used first? Use also reset command. BSET, this is the BSET, and here you have to be use like example LD X1 and here BRST when you write RST K4 M0 and D0. When you write this one, after compile the program and again download to the PLC and put the simulation on, and PLC is now already in run mode. I make this set on mode and change the present value. For example K5, K6 when I write my 7, and K8 I will write my right. If I 7 write 7 will be on, and I will write if K2, my K2 will be on. And now you like to be make it reset, you have to be make it on first. This is X1. As I put X1, here is a value you put already, that K2. So your K2, your M2 goes to on. And here you put one K5, after your M5 will be off. When you put it here MK6, your M6 will be off. And if you put K7, your M7 will be go to reset. And if you put MK8, your M8 will be go to reset. This is very simple. And when you put it K0, your K0 will be reset, M0 will be reset. You can see your all relays will be go to reset. So it's very simple and easy method to use this BSET and BRST command in Delta PLC. And now I will show you in the instruction what he says. D means destination device to be set on. N means which value we will put data register and device specifying the bit to be set on. Number 1 explanations, what he say, for ES2 and EX2 models only version 1.20 or above supports this function. Another models mean SS2 or other may be not supported. Available range for the value in the operand NK0 to K15 for 16-bit instruction and K0 to K31 for 32-bit instruction you can use. When BSET instruction executes, the output device specified by operand N will be on and latched. To reset the on state of the device, B reset instruction is required. Means when you like to use this B set instruction, after you have to be must used B reset instruction. If you not use the B reset instruction, your function will be not properly work. So also same this one, this same B reset set instruction also you can double click on it and you can see for ES2 and EX2 models only version 1.2 or above supports the function. Same as he will when B reset instruction executes, the output device specified by operand N will be reset off. So this you have to be used, and this in manual also you can read and better understand, and otherwise you can see my all videos in serial wise and you will be find inshallah good knowledge. I hope you will be understand about this command. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.